Good morning, everyone. Uh, this video or this interaction is to tell people across the globe and people particularly in Australia that Optisol is now open in Australia as well. As soon as we talk about Australia, there are three things that comes to the mind immediately. One is, of course, the kangaroos. Australia is known for kangaroos. The second thing is, like everyone knows, right? The Opera House that's in Sydney. And the third thing that comes to the mind is, of course, cricket. Who can leave cricket out of Australia and India? So apart from these three things, right, we thought we would add one more significance to Australia and India connection, and that's how we opened OptiSol in Australia. We have Simon with us. He's one of the directors for Australia business, and we thought we'll talk to him real quick and introduce Simon in Australia to the Australian people as well as people across the globe. Hi Simon, thank you for the time.
Hey BJ, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you doing, Simon?
Yeah, going really well over here.
That's fine. Simon, let's quickly get into the core aspect of the call, because I know you are very busy and it's towards the evening there, probably 4:35 in the evening. So we'll get things started right away. If at all you want to add something before we could start, we are very well open to hear it. Or if you want to go to the questions directly, we can probably start the interview as well.
Yeah, we'll just get straight into it.
That's perfect. Right. The first thing is, Simon, since this is a first video that we do, this is the beginning of many videos, I suppose, and I believe strongly in that. Please introduce yourself to our followers and the social media giants, if you can call so.
No worries. Well, firstly, Simon Farrell's my name. I'm the head of sales and business development of OptiSol in Australia. So I'd like to think of myself as a motivated, customer-centric, sales leader with comprehensive experience in driving financial growth. Using strategies focused on mutual gain and customer satisfaction. I've gained a greater understanding of technology. I've been attending online lectures on AI and ML and deep learning at Stanford University. The other director, Jacques, he made sure that I almost broke my brain watching all these lectures, as well as AWS certification, and just by watching products in action with our own chatbots, our object detection devices and drones, etc. So it's been really exciting.
Perfect. Sounds good. Thank you for the quick intro, Simon. So when we say OptiSol is in Australia, right? Many people will ask this question, right? What you guys exactly do? What you guys are specialized at? If at all you want to list out the top 2 or 3 technologies that we actually do really good to the Australian people and for the clients across globe, what are the 3 technologies that you would say? What are the core that we focus on in terms of Australian market?
Optisol's capability here in Australia, we probably focus mainly on computer vision, IoT, chatbots, telephony, text analytics, a little bit of forecasting and data analytics. We have an entire team that are dedicated to AI and ML projects, as well as strong leadership who have worked in the US for years. So they're probably the main areas.
That's perfect. So to put it in a shorter perspective, it's more towards the AI and ML, IoTs, and the Amazon Web Services, and so on and so forth, right?
Yeah. We're only partnering with AWS at this stage. So we're very focused on that partnership, and it's starting to bear fruit. Yeah.
That sounds good. And in terms of the business in Australia, how is Australia business performing since the COVID, and how does 2021 looks to you?
Well, Australia, as you probably know, has handled COVID better than any other country, mainly because we're such a big country with a small population. So we've been able to get on top of it. So the Australian business landscape is looking very promising as we look to move forward from the pandemic. And if anything, we're seeing plenty of opportunities for AI and ML with the introduction of things like facial recognition, temperature scans, drones, chatbots, our reliance on technology has increased, not only due to social distancing and things like that, but with people now sharing their workload between going to the office and working from home.
That's perfect. So or probably we strongly believe, or we strongly hope that things will be good for us also in the Australian market.
Of course.
Yeah, perfect. And how do you see the artificial intelligence and machine learning technology trends in Australia? I mean, people are starting adapting to it just because the COVID scenarios, or it's already there even before the COVID started?
It was already there. It's just probably come more to the fore, and I see it being a big market with fast adoption strategies towards the technology from our major industries, because we're a massive mining country. We've got a lot of natural resources, but also agriculture and construction in particular. They will take advantage of the AI and ML, not just to increase productivity, but safety as well. Like WHS is a massive thing in Australia. So
perfect. That sounds. So you said mining, you said construction. So these are the industries that's spending more, if I get that right, in terms of the ANML technology, or is there a parallel industry that's also spending more in terms of the technology in Australia?
No, that'd probably be it. Like agriculture, mining, construction, data and analysis, and probably manufacturing as well. I think manufacturing's been going automated for a long time now, so it's slowly getting more integrated.
That's perfect. So as for you, or probably if you can just let the viewers know what is the Optisol's capability in terms of the A and ML? What can Optisol do in that?
Well, as I said earlier, our main areas are IoT, data analytics, forecasting, computer vision. We have a thing called a Magic Box that we've just created that will be going on the back of a forklift. It's more of a human detection device to avoid collisions with humans. So it's a very large area of concern is people getting run over or injured on work sites from vehicles, whether it be forklifts, loaders, dozers, graders. So any machinery that moves, and some that is static as well. We can place this device on it with a camera and up to 3 cameras. So there's massive implication for that, as well as we have drones, chatbots, etc. as well.
That's perfect. So this is more towards how we protect people in our workplace and how we keep the work environment safe and secure using the ANML technology. Perfect. I mean, this is amazing, right? Using how technology has changed things around, right? Just from being mobile phone chats a few years back, now we can save lives in a workplace using the technology. Isn't it great, Simon?
Oh, unbelievable! Yeah, and it's really exciting being at the cutting edge when we're creating things that there's nothing else like it out there. Like, it can be frustrating when something's not quite in the development stage, it's not quite working, and you have to read 40,000 lines of code to work out where the problem is, because no one's ever been there before. You can't look it up on Google and say what happens when you go here, or check the manual. There is no manual. So it's very exciting.
Absolutely.